In this video, I will be cautioning you about some common mistakes students do in the chapter Arithmetic Progression. In case you find them silly, do me a favor, just remember this as it is, and hopefully you will save some marks in the next test. So the first one is nth term and nth term. So basically, these terms should be very clear to you what these individual terms mean. An is the nth term value. So suppose we have 3, 5, 7, 9. This is the first position, this is the second position, third, fourth. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4 is the n value. And all of these individual values are A1, A2, A3, A4. Now A4 is 9, but n is 4. Hopefully you know the difference by now. Then D is the common difference, consecutive terms difference. So A2 minus A1 or any of the consecutive terms. A is the first term, pretty obvious. Sometimes it is written as A0, A0, A1 and A. So depending on the textbook and what your teacher follows, it might be little different. Sn. So Sn is sum till the value. We'll be discussing this in the fifth point also. So remember, sum is Sn is sum till. So S5 means sum till fifth term. S4 means sum till fourth term. How does that help? If suppose we want A5 value, we can calculate S5 minus S4. There are a set of important set of questions where you will use this. Just remember this. So what is the meaning of each of these terms? This is the first point. It should be very clear. Second thing is getting the AP first. So in any question, whenever you start, please try to get the AP first. If you get the AP, you can get any of the things like AN, A, D, and whatever you want, SN. So that's the first thing we should try to do. It may not be possible in every case, but this is what we should try for every question. Third one, n is natural number. So as mentioned, the first point, n is first position, second position, third position, like that. So it can't be 1.5. It's like giving away prizes, first prize, second prize, third prize. So it can't be 1.5th prize, right? That's not possible. So n is a natural number starting from 1, 2, 3, like that. All right. Fourth one is an gives the nth term value. So this is, I've touched this point in the first one also. N is the position, like the fourth position, n is equal to 4. And an gives the fourth position's value, what's sitting on the fourth position. Now, in case you are given a formula right away, this is a lot of students get confused here. If an value is given, that means just put 1, 2, 3, 4 values and you will get A1, A2, A3 right away. And then if you get this, you will get the AP and then you can do whatever you want. 3 plus 7 times 1, so you get 10. So this would be 14, 17. This should be 24. So AN is the formula given to us in which we can substitute the natural values, natural number values 1, 2, 3, 4 and get the AP. Point number 2. All right. So that was fourth one. Fifth one is sum Sn. Okay. So now if something like this is given, Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. This is similar to the fourth one we discussed. Just need to substitute the values. We'll get the value of S1, S2, S3. Now, important thing here is, suppose you are given S3. You can calculate S3. So that would be 3, 4, 3, 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. S2 would be 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. Now, we can get the A3 value here. How? S3 minus S2. So any A value you want, suppose you want A2, so what we will do? S2 minus S1. This is very important formula. an an is equal to Sn minus the sum till the previous value, Sn minus Sn minus 1. This is important identity, please remember. Next is difference of an and L. Students get confused, what is the difference between the an value and L in the sum formula. So an is the nth term and L is the last term. So what's the difference? Actually, there is no difference. In the Sn formula, they mean the same. Suppose you are given an value, you can substitute in the place of, let me erase this. Suppose you are given the an value, maybe 5, and that is the L value also. So you can use n by 2 a plus an or a plus L. That's the same thing. It's the same thing. Please remember these 6 points. First is all the terms in the AP. There are only 2 formulas we need to remember. So whatever the terms are involved, please remember what each of them means. Second thing is getting the AP first as soon as we can. Try to get the AP. Third is n is a natural number. It can't be 1.5th term, 2.5th term. If it is 9 by 7, 5 by 2, it's not possible. N should be 1, 2, 3, 4, a natural number. Fourth one is an gives nth term value. N is the position of the price, or like first price, second price, third price, or 10th price in that case. And an would give the value of what is sitting on the 10th position. Fifth one is sum Sn. If you are given a formula, just put the n values and remember this important formula: an is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Consecutive sums difference gives the a value. Like if you want to find A4, S4 minus S3. Sixth one is difference of an and L. It nearly means the same. It is for the sum formula, you can use that for interchangeably. That's the same. Okay, so I think that's enough for this video. We'll continue in the next video.